Hello, this is the new lawn rider from Cobra Garden, the LT74HRL, and this is a compact mower that you can obviously sit on, which makes mowing so much easier. It's got a powerful Lonsin engine, it's got a 74cm or 29-inch cutting deck, and the mower is the same size as the cutting deck, which makes it very manoeuvrable. It's compact, you can get into tight spaces, in circles around trees, and it will fit through a gate. It's got great visibility around because you're sitting nice and high, so it makes mowing an absolute pleasure. So what we're going to do is have a look at one or two of the features, then we'll start it up and we'll do some mowing with it. It's very easy to manoeuvre and drive. It's got a hydrostatic transmission, so no manual gear stick. We do it all with our right foot, one pedal to go forwards, one pedal to go back. So that makes it very easy to get round trees. It also cuts the grass when you're going forwards and backwards. So we put the blades into gear with this yellow knob here. And if you want to cut while you're reversing, we hold down the silver button and that keeps that all engaged. There's a parking brake. To put the parking brake on, we depress the pedal, lock it into position, and to take it off you just release it by touching the pedal. So if you're on a slope you can lock the parking brake knowing it won't roll away, and it's got LED headlights as well, so you can be seen and you're visible in the garden. Height of cut we adjust with the lever here on the left hand side, and the cutting heights go from 30mm up to 90mm, so you can mow your lawn really short if you want to, or you can let it grow that little bit longer. And all the grass clippings are sent into the box at the back. It's got rear discharge, so absolutely fantastic, and it's really easy to empty without getting off the seat. We just simply pull that back, empty it into the compost heap, put it down, and away we go again. So what isn't there to like about it? It's so easy, and it makes a really good job of mowing around the garden, in and out between the trees. So this is the lawn mower that you need.